Hey guys, it's Tim. I thought you might want to see my dogs. Nigel is getting excited because the sausage is about. I know, boy. He wants a sausage. And this boy, this is Derek. Hey, Derek. There's a dog outside by the sounds of it. You're not having a sausage. Crazy. No, he's not having your sausage, boys, don't worry. Anyway, yeah. Let's give these boys a sausage. I've got another one here in my pocket somewhere. That's one for... Who's having that? Nigel? Hang on, Derek. I forgot about you. Hey. Yeah. We like a sausage.